In front of me is ZTE Blade V50 and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Then tap on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner and click on one of your photos that you wish to add. If your photo is not recent, tap on Folders instead and look for it over here by hitting Images at the top, selecting one of those apps, or clicking on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. Wherever you decided when you finished, just hold your chosen photo and click on Select at the top right corner to attach it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!